You've already heard some of the chord names. That is what we call the triads, which are built up on different degrees of the scale. Let's take the scale of F major, where we've encountered the tonic, which is chord 1, the dominant, which is chord 5, and the subdominant, which is chord 4. As we hear, these are all major triads. And they're the three most common. In fact, some music is harmonized entirely by these three chords. But, as briefly mentioned before, the diatonic scale, of course, contains 7 notes. Back to the beginning. And a triad can be built on all of them. Not all the triads we find will be major, but let's go up and investigate them. First of all, sticking to the key of F, we've had the tonic on the first degree of the scale, and then above the tonic, chord 2 is called the supertonic because it's one step above the tonic. And as you'll hear, the triad is minor with the notes G, B flat, and D. We have to remember that the triads have to be made up of notes which are part of the scale. So it has to be one of those notes. So in the supertonic, we have the G, B flat, and D. Going up another step, the third degree of the scale is called the mediant, what we call chord 3, and its notes are A, C, and E. The subdominant we know, the dominant we know, the submediant, chord 6, is another minor triad, in this case consisting of D, F, and A. The submediant, you remember, is what we hear in the interrupted cadence that we talked about. And then finally, in the context of F, we have the final triad, which is built on the 7th degree of the scale, and which is a diminished triad, as you'll hear. The notes are E, G, and B flat, and that's chord 7. So to go up through all of these in F major, here we go. Chord 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back to 1. Let's just try them in another key. Here's C major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back to 1.